We've all experienced an appliance emergency at one time or another. Whether it's a refrigerator not cooling, dryer not heating, or your washing machine won't drain, they always seem to arise at the worst possible time. We started serving the Phoenix area over 10 years ago and stand behind making our customers happy by showing up on time, respecting your home, and providing you with upfront, no obligation pricing. When you call us, you can expect on-time, professional service with upfront pricing. We are also licensed, bonded, and insured, and A+ rated on the Better Business Bureau.
They were very prompt getting here. They showed up when they said they were going to show up. Very friendly, upfront with the cost, and honest.
My name is Robert Felix. I'm the owner of Felix Appliance Repair. Give us a call today. You mention this video, save 10% off of any service. We look forward to serving you. You can also read our numerous reviews on Google and social media platforms.